Welcome to the Learning Center lesson, How the Map Works. In this lesson, we're going to help you learn how to use the map in the Uber driver app. When you first begin driving with Uber, you might ask yourself, is now a good time to go online? Or, which neighborhood should I drive in? The map can help you figure out what trips you want to take and where you want to go. Let's get started. When you open the driver app, you'll be greeted by a color-coded map. The gray zones on the map show you where demand for trips is higher. If you're delivering, you'll see which nearby merchants are receiving the most orders. You can drive to these areas to increase your likelihood of getting a trip. Clicking on the gray arrow will help you go there. While driving, you might see red or orange colors on the screen. That area has surge pricing due to high demand. The dollar amounts on your map tell you how much will be added to the next trip you take in that area. These offers will help you increase your earnings. Keep an eye out, as these update regularly. A blue area on the map means a Boost Plus promotion is active. Boost Plus is a promotion that pays extra for trips in a certain area during a certain period of time. Go to the Opportunities section of your app to see if you're eligible for Boost Plus for that week. If you sign up, then you'll see the promotion marked in blue the next time it's active. And that's how the map works. Now you can use it to find trips and extra earnings. Thanks for watching. As always, you can find more Learning Center lessons here in the app or by following the links in the description.